In today's video, we are going to look at some key areas for Breadcoin that I think you can get more of Breadcoin before it's too late. This video is no financial advice, so don't go and buy bread based on this video. Make sure you buy Breadcoin based on your own analysis. What I do here is for information and education purpose only. I'm saying what I am doing. So make sure you do your due diligence. But if you're new on my platform, you are watching the Beton's Crypto. Yeah, we create content to help you understand what goes on in the market. I talk more about market structure, support and resistance, how to navigate the brutal crypto space and make massive gain trading altcoins, and then buying more Bitcoin. Bitcoin is my USDT. I look at Bitcoin as the ultimate coin in this space. So if say anything is going on and Bitcoin is not doing well, then I'm not gonna be wasting my time on all coins thinking maybe all coins are gonna do well. But as of now, I believe that we are gonna see Bitcoin continue going up, but not like immediately. I think we're gonna see Bitcoin drop a little bit, or if not, Bitcoin can go straight away to about 120 or $130,000. That's why I think right now we are at a key level where the altcoins are about to skyrocket, and Breadcoin is one of those altcoins out there that is gonna do well. But guys, if say you want to learn how to trade, you want to buy any of these coins, you can do that on Bluffing, or you can do it on Bitunix. You can also do it on Bybit, Binance. All the links are found below this video. So if you use the links below this video, it's going to be a way to support this channel. So go and do just that. Now let's get into this chart. Guys, this chart is pretty straightforward. I'm not gonna waste so much time on this chart. I want to just give you guys straightforward what's going on here, what you should be looking at, and how you should approach the coin. But by the way, again, if you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe and hit that bell button quickly so that you get more videos when I post them. Now, guys, I've already marked these key areas. We're gonna look at the chart on the daily time frame. We're gonna look at the volume. We're gonna look at MACD and also the opening interest for Bitcoin. So let's just start first with this chart. This chart is pretty straightforward. Remember, guys, I marked this zone long time ago, and I told you guys we're gonna get rejection here, and from here we are gonna expect price at least to retest this broken structure. Remember, when price breaks structure, price always come to retest structure. That's how the market moves, because when price break key level, it breaks with high volume. You can see these green vector candles represent high volume. So at least to an extent, we should expect price to come and sweep this liquidity here. To an extent, it can go even right down here to this area around the 0.3455. So this zone should be the zone you start buying Bitcoin. You can see this zone should be your start buying zone. I strongly believe we're gonna see Bitcoin get, if not like straight away, yeah, but I think to an extent, let me just mark this zone properly. I think from here, from this area, yeah, we should expect Bitcoin to hold this zone here at least. So you start buying Bitcoin here. If you buy your first buy here, if say price is not able to hold, you can buy again here. If this zone is not able to hold and this one not able to hold, then you then be rest assured that price is gonna go right down to make lower lows. But as of now, I still believe that we have broken major structure. You can see this was the major structure here. So what is left for price to do is we test those key areas and then go and make the next side. That's why I think you can get Bitcoin before it's too late. Don't start buying when price is already pumping. You cash out profit when price was pumping. You can see I bought Bitcoin right down here. I already knew that this was divergence. I drew this line here. I knew that this was divergence when I saw this 1, 2, 3 vector candles, and also I saw that there was high volume here. You can see before then volume was dropping. Let's just bring in volume. Before then, volume was dropping, and you start seeing volume increasing here. You see this spike, and you can see that volume has been dropping ever since we saw this huge move to the upside. You can go to the chart and see the same thing. Ever since we saw this huge move to the upside, volume has been dropping. That's why I think we're gonna see some sort of drop around this key area here. Now, looking at the MACD on the daily time frame, the blue line has crisscrossed the red line. The blue line signifies bullish signal, while the red line, which signifies bearish signal. So when the blue line cross the red line, it signifies that there's high chances prices are going to drop. But the good thing is, so far as we are above this zone, above this zone, we can always look for a buy signal. But this is a bad signal that price is about to flip or to change trend. So let's keep an eye on that. This has happened multiple times, but price reversed again. You can see, yeah, it happened here and price came back up. So maybe it's just showing some sort of signal that maybe price is not go down short term. Then from then price is going to reverse and start going back up. And looking at the open interest is tricky. Why? Because we are still above this moving average. Yeah, this is the 50-day moving average, so we are still above it. That's why I'm still bullish for Bitcoin. But I think price is gonna kiss this moving average, yeah, and to an extent, go below this key area, yeah. Before we start seeing the next move to the upside. That's why I believe we still have some more downside to go for Bitcoin. But those key areas that I marked are the areas that I think we're going to see some sort of momentum in the market. So yeah, just take your time, go through it, and see whether you can get some of it or not. As I mentioned earlier, don't go and buy because I say so. Buy because you are convinced that this coin is one of the top meme coins in the space. And if say you are sure of that, then nothing can stop you from getting this bad boy. So that has it for this video. Hopefully you got some value. If you got some value, make sure you smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and then guys, don't forget to share. When you share this content, it helps it reach out to more people out there. I'm gonna appreciate really if you share or react to the video and comment below what you think about Breadcoin. Are you still holding Breadcoin? Do you believe in the project? Do you believe in the meme coin? Do you think that Bitcoin is gonna be among the top meme coin in the space this year and next year or the years to come? Comment your thought below and let's see how it goes. All right, guys. Until then, see you the next one. Bye bye. Ciao.